Headache English, visit.
Today, we are going to learn 1. List of confusing words with meanings. 2. Sentence samples. 3. Quiz. 4. Advanced level practice.
Words to discuss. Deny versus refuse. Dissent versus dissent. Draft versus draft. Flaunt versus flout. Minor versus minor.
Deny versus refuse. Deny. Verb. To state or declare untruth, disown something, or dismissing the truth. Refuse. Verb. To turn down an offer, to decline to accept or give.
Examples. Deny. My social media account denied access to log in because I forgot the password. Refuse. He refused to get the money he was giving.
Let us use the words together. The corporation refused to work with small construction firm. However, they did not deny them access to the team after a year or two.
Dissent versus dissent. Dissent. Noun. To differ opinion on a particular subject, to withhold assent or approval. Dissent. Noun. An act of going or moving down, lineage or ancestry.
Examples. Dissent. Dissenting voices were effectively silenced. Dissent. The plane began its descent to Incheon International Airport.
Let us use the words together. I could hear dissenting voices from upstairs, and it got louder after I descended to the ground floor.
Draft versus draft. Draft. Noun. A sketch or plan, or a preliminary version of writing. Draft. British English. The word is used primarily to refer a portion of liquid, a current of air, and an animal that pulls loads.
Examples. Draft. Wanda made the first draft of her speech. Draft. A cold draft of air blew in when I opened the window.
Let us use the words together. I think I need a draft beer after doing my first draft of the floor plan, said Percival.
Flaunt versus flout. Flaunt. Verb. Display or show off. Flout. Verb. Go against or openly disregard.
Examples. Flaunt. Models flaunt their dresses during the runway show. Flout. No one wants to flout the rules.
Let us use the words together. When Rena flaunts her dancing skills, no one wants to flout her wrong steps because she looks so happy.
Minor versus minor. Minor. Adjective not great in size and having little importance. Minor. Noun. A person who works in a mine, digger.
Examples. Minor. She played a minor role in the new serial TV show. Minor. Mr. John is a coal miner.
Let us use the words together. The miners made minor adjustments to their mining schedule.
You're on the mid part of the video. Please don't forget to click like, subscribe and share this video.
Let us check your knowledge. Directions. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. If the word does not fit, leave the space empty.
Number 1. Mr. Hind blanked my offer because he said he wanted to do it on his own. Number 2. Danica blanked the licensure examination for teachers. Number 3. Johnny blanked the wrong assumptions of the people.
Letter A. Deny. Letter B. Refuse.
The correct answers are: Number 1. Letter B. Mr. Hind refused my offer because he said he wanted to do it on his own. Number 3. Letter A. Johnny denied the wrong assumptions of the people.
Number 4. Why would you blank from something that is entirely in your favor? Number 5. The blank tasted good. Number 6. His family was well known and affluent, claiming blank from Constantine.
Letter A. Dissent. Letter B. Dissent.
The correct answers are: Number 4. Letter A. Why would you dissent from something that is entirely in your favor? Number 6. Letter B. His family was well known and affluent, claiming dissent from Constantine.
Number 7. Blank beer is pumped out of the barrel. Number 8. Diona made sure to clean her blank before leaving. Number 9. I was supposed to hand in the first blank of my dissertation by now.
Letter A. Draft. Letter B. Draft.
The correct answers are number 7. Letter B. Draft beer is pumped out of the barrel. Number 9. Letter A. I was supposed to hand in the first draft of my dissertation by now.
Number 10. Why would you blank this sensitive topic in a public forum? Number 11. Many bar owners blank underage drinking rules. Number 12. To create a raft, we tied together anything that would blank.
Letter A. Flaunt. Letter B. Flout.
The correct answers are number 10. Letter A. Why would you flaunt this sensitive topic in a public forum? Number 11. Letter B. Many bar owners flout underage drinking rules.
Number 13. The crash merely left her with blank phrases. Number 14. He saw his reflection on the blank. Number 15. The old blank was digging for silver and gold.
Letter A. Minor. Letter B. Minor.
The correct answers are number 13. Letter B. The crash merely left her with minor grazes. Number 15. Letter A. The old miner was digging for silver and gold.
Let us see how the engineers use the words while having their conversation.
The descent of the Alimak will be our cue to start our walkthrough. I do not dissent your ideas based on our initial discussion. Stay quiet. Don't flaunt our plans yet.
Noted, sir. As I mentioned at our last meeting, we are waiting for your approval of our first draft plan. We also assure you that we did not flout our standards.
We need to make some minor changes because the project manager refused to incorporate some of the proposals.
I think it is because we lack materials now and we need to start the new building in a week.
Yes. I am not certain why the contractors denied receiving the letters ahead of time. But, we already requested the materials and they approved them.
That's a relief to hear.
Exactly. Let's start our walkthrough now. You know, we have this worker. He works so hard, and he said he was once a minor.
Oh wow. That's great.
After their walkthrough,
You know, it's been a tough day. I need a draft beer after work. Are you up for a drink?
congratulations! You've reached the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching.